Harry's Liquor offers the selection and experience of a full-service liquor store right inside multiple Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's lesson.
Ciders are alcoholic beverages made from the fermented juice of apples. These are often called hard cider to distinguish from non-alcoholic ciders of the United States and Canada. Cider is actually an ancient beverage, dating back thousands of years. The direct origin of the beer is unknown due to the widespread distribution of apples. The process of making this brew follows 3 key stages: crushing the fruit, pressing out the juice, and allowing it to ferment. Macintosh, Golden Delicious, Jonagold, Granny Smith, Gala, and Fuji apples all make up modern cider components. Ciders vary in color and texture, from sweet with aromatic notes to a drier, higher ABV. As an added bonus, ciders also act as a great health-conscious option as they are largely gluten-free. When drinking ciders, try them with creamy pasta bakes, quiche, soups, cold cuts, salads, or mild curries. Now you have the skills to help any cider lover. Try them out yourselves. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Harry's Brewery Collection.